Conventional sources of energy. First is fossil fuels. And these are the fuels which are developed from fossils. What are these fossils? You know, billions years ago, the flora and fauna perished. And because of the temperature, humidity, pressure, these organisms, these flora and fauna, they have changed to fossils. They are present in limited amount. Only limited amount is there, so they are going to vanish sometime. And they are non-renewable source of energy. That means if you employ it or use it, we cannot regenerate it. And these fuels, they cause pollution. They release different type of oxides, and you might be aware of the acid rain. Because of this oxide, they mix in the air, and when the rain comes, they come along with this rain. They damage plants, animals, and houses. And excessive release of this carbon dioxide gas, which is a greenhouse gas, this is causing global warming. So the temperature of Earth the average temperature is increasing. The pollution by these fossil fuels can be controlled by increasing the efficiency of combustion process, and there are other techniques to get rid of or to escape the harmful gases, but still they will create some or the other pollution agents, pollutants. Thermal power plants, and these thermal power plants, they are employed or used to generate electricity using heat. Here also the burning of fossil fuels is done. This produces steam, and this steam, which in turn is used to turn the turbines, and then turbines will create the electricity. So this method helps in efficient transmission of electricity. Then hydro power plants. This is used to convert potential energy of water falling into electricity. So if a dam is built and the water is coming like this, and it has, because of the potential energy converted into kinetic energy, the turbines are placed here. So this falling water will rotate the turbines. So this potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is given to the turbines, and in turn we get electricity. So they are somewhat associated with the dams. They do not cause any pollution, so you are using the natural energy. Dam construction also prevents flooding of river, and they are source of irrigation, provide water for irrigation. But all is not good. There are disadvantages also. For a hydropower plant, there is a large area is required. Human settlement is always affected, and the ecosystem, the natural ecosystem there, will be either changed or destroyed. Biomass. What is biomass? The plants and animals, everything on earth which is living, either plants or animals, they are going to die sometime. So the dead remains of plants and animals are known as biomass. Wood produces biomass, and this can be used as a fuel for a long time. It produces smoke during burning wood, and it does not produce that much of heat. Charcoal. Now that is, the charcoal is a product from wood. So it produces charcoal, and charcoal is somewhat better fuel than wood, because the energy it is giving, or you can say it has high calorific value. The energy content is good. It does not produce smoke while burning. Cow dung produces a lot of smoke. The excreta of the animals, like the cow, it does not completely burn, low calorific value, and after burning it produces a lot of ash. Biogas. Biogas plants, we might have heard about that. They produce biogas. It's an excellent fuel. No residue is, because when it burns, no residue is there. It has a very high heat capacity, and biogas plant is used to farm waste or energy crops. So whatever is the waste, or you can say the remaining or leftovers, are being employed. They are being kept in certain environment, or you can say in the biogas plant, and treated, and the gas which is produced is then employed. So biogas plant consists of a large tank or digester where this wasted or remnants are being placed, and here the bacteria converts this organic waste into methane, right, using certain process, and this is how this methane can be employed for, or it can be used as a fuel. Wind energy. Now, unequal heating of water bodies and land masses by the solar radiation, it generates the air movement, because you always know that heat transfers is always there. So unequal heating of water bodies and the land masses, it will create air movement, and this will cause the wind to blow from one side to another just to create equilibrium. So this energy is used to generate the electricity. Means, if this is a windmill, air is blowing, so this windmill rotates, and there is all sorts of electrical and electronics combination here, and this will generate electricity. It is an eco-friendly method and efficient source of renewable energy, because this wind is going to blow anyways. But you need a large area, the place where the wind is at such speed, so that this the wheel could rotate, the windmill can rotate, and you need a lot of windmills, not just one or two is going to have to work for you. That is how wind energy can be harnessed.